What's going on, guys? We're back with the 6.0 build. Today we will be installing a timing chain damper adapter bracket. This one happens to be from Melling. I think TrickFlow makes one as well. These early iron blocks didn't have any provisions for a timing chain damper, so the way we can solve that is use that adapter bracket. We will remove these 3 bolts from our cam plate. Comes with all new bolts and hardware in the kit, and just bolts right into place, and that way we have a damper where we normally want it. So we're gonna get to it. Super short video, guys, but a little extra LS tech. Okay, guys, I've already removed the cam plate bolts whenever we swap the cam. So we're just gonna start threading these ones back in. Now these will all torque to 18 pound-feet. These happen to be a 5mm hex. So we're just gonna run them down till they're snug. We'll do a crisscross pattern. And then we'll end up torquing them down to 18 pound-feet. Top bolt will remain factory. I think they either come this hex one here, or they come as like a Torx. I've always ran across just the hex style. So we've already got our torque wrench dialed up to 18. So we're just going to tighten this top one first. Go to the bottom. That's all it takes to install the Melling timing chain damper. Super simple, guys. Nice little upgrade. Relatively cheap, about 20 bucks, and you can have a timing chain damper. So if you like the video, guys, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.